Want to make $500 in a weekend? Here's your ultimate guide to flipping items from Craigslist. Ever wondered how people turn secondhand finds into cash? Let's break it down. Step 1. Identify hot items. What are people buying right now? Think furniture, electronics, and unique collectibles. These sell fast. Step 2. Search for deals. Use filters to find the best prices. Don't forget to check free listings. Free items can turn into pure profit. Step 3. Inspect before you buy. Ensure the item is in good condition. Meet in safe public places. Safety first. Step 4. Negotiate smartly. Always aim to lower the price. Politeness and cash offers can go a long way. Step 5. Clean and repair. Make the item look as good as new. A little effort here can significantly boost your selling price. Step 6. Take quality photos. Good visuals attract more buyers. Use natural light and clear backgrounds for best results. Step 7. Write compelling ads. Highlight key features and benefits. Be honest and descriptive. Trust builds sales. Step 8. Post on multiple platforms. Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, etc. The wider the reach, the faster the sale. Step 9. Set competitive prices. Research similar listings. Price it right to move items quickly. Step 10. Close the deal. Be responsive and professional. Good communication ensures smooth transactions. Imagine earning $500 just by flipping items over a weekend. Extra cash for vacations, savings, or just fun money. Ready to start your flipping journey? Dive into Craigslist now. Unleash the hidden potential of secondhand treasures. Don't wait. Your $500 weekend is just a few clicks away. Take action today and discover the thrill of flipping. Turn your weekends into profitable adventures. Start flipping now and watch your earnings grow.